This is for all my hoes, all my gold digging hoes, money getting love my hoes.
What's up everyone, welcome back, and today's a very special video. Today I have Amber Rose's SLUTBOX. It finally arrived and I'm just so excited to get into it. First, if you don't know Amber Rose is a neo-feminist is what she calls herself, an activist. You're showing, oh, that's a picture of Amber Rose. This is her book, by the way. If you don't have it, How to Be a Bad Bitch, you should really get it. She also has a podcast called LOVELINE with Dr. Chris Donahue. It's amazing. It has changed my life. I tell everyone about it. Don't I always talk about it? It is such a wonderful podcast. I can't believe I almost started this video without even mentioning SLUTWALK. SLUTWALK is a transnational movement of protest marches calling for the end of rape culture, including victim blaming and slut shaming of sexual assault victims. Specifically, participants protest against explaining or excusing rape by referring to any aspect of a woman's appearance. When you open the box, hopefully nothing falls out. This is what it looks like. Oh, look at the. Ooh. I'm gonna insert some pictures here because the light is kind of making it really shiny. Right off the top of the box. Oh shoot! A whole bunch of things came out of it. It is this magazine type of thing. Amber Rose, and it is. It says Slut Manifesto, Dear Sluts, Facts, inside your slut box. I guess it just talks about all the stuff that's in it. So we're not going to look at that because we want to look at everything as we get the box. Well, as we open the box. So here is another thing. It says Dear Body Magazine. I don't know if I can show this because there's a lot of naked pictures. So I can't show this on the video, unfortunately.
This is cool. It's a plus size.
The plus size slut by Colleen Mertens. So it looks like a bunch of like little essays in here. Definitely gonna have to read that. So we only got one sneak peek. So we only got one sneak peek of the box from the SLUTBOX Instagram, and it is, these are pasties. If you don't know what pasties are, they go on your nipples so you can be modest and be topless. But these are the official pasties in collaboration with SLUTBOX. Only a couple of boxes we're going to have these, so I'm glad that I got them. Next thing out the box. Oh, that's a... Oh, $2 off. It's a coupon code.
$2 off of what, though?
For the pasties.
Oh, okay. So
if you want to go get your own, $2 off.
Where can you get this at? Not that I'm going to use them. I just
all the links of the stuff where you can purchase these will be down below. Next thing. Huh? Okay. It's called...
You can't say it. How do you say it? SizzleLips Warming Edible Gel.
Strawberry flavor. Oh, don't mind my fingers, by the way. I just dyed my hair.
So maybe I should.
Maybe you should. All right, she's gonna take over here because I don't want you guys to see the crusty crust.
It's too late. You showed it.
All right, so SizzleLips. We got pasties and SizzleLips. I told you it was gonna be an interesting.
But what does it do?
What does it do?
Okay, so intense warming sensation, amazing flavor, never sticky or tacky, paraben free, body safe ingredients, no unpleasant aftertaste. So
if you suck your thumb, that'd be nice to put on your thumb. Okay, that's my 18-year-old asking. That's what she needs to know.
This is a lube for sex. It warms on contact and it's also edible. This is gonna go in my side drawer where all my other lube packages
I need to
are.
know that? Do I need to know that?
You're gonna know anyway. Okay, so then wait.
Ooh, a lot of fun stuff in there.
This is so cool. Okay, so the next thing out of the box. Oh, It's more lube. Okay. No, because look at my hands are the color of a dead person. Okay. So this is a personal moisturizer, water-based formula. Apply desired amount to the external genital area. Yep. More lube. Dang. My side drawer is going to be packed. Okay, next thing here. Defense Divas. Liana, you might like this. Self-defense products with style. It is a discount card, so it's a coupon code, I guess. Yeah, defensedivas.com. Okay, so when I was recording the video, I had no clue what Defense Divas was, so while editing, I just did a quick search, pulled up the website. As you can see, it is a website that sells pepper sprays and stun guns, all, you know, small and dainty, where you can just throw them in your purse and be very discreet about it. Looks like there's a whole bunch of different range of prices, so whatever fits your budget. But this coupon code that Amber Rose threw into the box is really great to knock off 30% of whatever you choose to purchase. Okay, here's the next thing. Daily Intimate Wash, Jasmine Pear. Let's smell it. Smells very clean. Oh, you know, I like the fruity things. This is more like...
And it's always important to have the punani smelling good.
It is gentle and pH balanced, developed with gynecologists, and it's hypoallergenic.
Very good.
So, this is vagina safe body wash. Next thing in the box, lifting cream, the neck and décolleté. Oh shoot! Wait a second. Is this what I think it is? Hold on. Oh, wait. Wait.
Oh.
You're supposed to apply this cream, right?
Uh-huh.
And like rub it in with this, and it's supposed to like firm up this air.
Because
you said, That's so cool. Measurable Difference. I feel like I've heard that brand before. The lifting cream is infused with minerals and, oh shoot, the word is scratched out. Marine extracts to support skin's natural collagen and elasticity production through microcirculation. So yeah, I guess it's something you just every night. Okay, so next thing. This, I don't even have to really say much about this. This is a lipstick and it's called Fuck Trump. Wait, look at his picture right there.
I like to try it.
We are gonna try it right now. Hold on.
Is it red? Oh.
Ooh.
Pretty, see?
What a pretty color.
Oh, what's the name of the color of your lipstick?
Fuck Trump. You might really like this.
I do.
This, honestly, is the coolest subscription box I have ever got. And we still have more things left in the box. Okay, so we both applied the lipstick. It's a very, very pretty color. It does look really, really good. I've never heard of this brand before. LipSLut. I'm assuming that's why Amber Rose picked this. One, because I know she's not a fan of Trump. Two, it's called SLUTBOX. So obviously she's going to put a lipstick brand called LipSLut in it. But that's how it looks. Very nice. I'm going to wear this a lot. Oh wait, we didn't even see if it transfers. Doesn't transfer. It's pretty good. Okay, so the next thing we have in the box, it's called Conquer. It is a lip balm. It's banana pudding, and it says, "Give a woman the right lip balm, and she can conquer the world." It does smell like bananas. I don't know if you guys know, but I don't like bananas. I don't know if I'm gonna want to be putting this on my lips.
Smells good.
This might be tossed over to baby sister.
Not baby.
Baby sister. She's 5 feet tall.
Wow. You just...
Oh, shoot. So the next thing we have in the box here, it's from the same brand that made this lube, is some condoms. Because safe sex is the best sex. Do you agree?
Yes. I
Okay.
agree.
The condom re-engineered. Do I take this out and like blow one up? Okay. This is the package. As you can see, it is definitely a condom in there. Is it latex? Yes. One natural rubber latex condom. Did you want me to blow it up?
No.
What else would you do with it?
Whatever. So if you don't know what a condom looks like, this is it. You're supposed to roll it over the penis like so. No, oh shoot. I don't know if you can see, but it kind of has like a honeycomb pattern on it. Yeah, you can see it. Don't look at my crusty crust, but maybe if I hold on. So here's a good lesson for you. Don't let any guy ever tell you that the condom doesn't fit them. Right? Okay. Because it does. It does. Let's... The condom fits, sir. You will wear one. Okay? Look at this. Look at this. Okay? It fits.
Ew.
It doesn't have a bad taste either. Just throwing that out there.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Last thing in the box is a t-shirt. Do you really want to wear this shirt?
Other people's the people, by the people. That is funny.
We saved the best for last. 1 second.
I am a slut of the people, for the people, by the people. Okay.
All right. And that is the last of the box. This was really great. Oh, shoot. Look at my hair. This was really great. This is definitely a subscription that I'm going to be keeping. So you guys are going to see more of this every month. Amber Rose, you did a great, great job. This is really, really amazing. What would you say your favorite item was?
I'm going to say the intimate wash. It's always good to keep the punani clean.
Okay. All right.
What was your favorite?
I like the shirt.
Okay.
And I also really am digging this, the lube, and the lipstick. Because this is like the perfect color.
I like this too. I mean, again, you can't show it, but the Dear Body magazine, there's a lot of memes in here, like sayings that is positive for the woman, the plus size woman.
Can I see it off camera?
Sure.
Yeah, I really wish we could show you guys some of the inserts that she put into this box. But, you know, because of the way YouTube is set up, I can't show you certain things. Like, if I had freedom, I would have popped these on, you know, and showed you. But nudity and whatever. But
It is Sade, I was right.
yeah, this was such a great box. I honestly, this was definitely worth it. I can't remember the price of the box off the top of my head. I want to say it's $34.95 or somewhere around that range. But this was great.
Ooh, this looks fun
What?
too. It's a crossword puzzle. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. And some of the things that it's some of the questions that how to fill in. 5 across, sex positive, open-minded person. Can you think of someone?
Sex positive, open-minded person. That's got to be slut. It's a 4-letter word.
Support to cause or group. Amber's hardcore stand.
Oh,
Stands.
shoot. Rosebuds.
See, 7 across. ROSEB. Yeah. See, this is gonna be fun to do.
All Amber Rose's links are going to be down below. Where to get your own SLUTBOX is going to be listed down below. The LOVELINE podcast down below. How to be a bad bitch is going to be down below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Definitely pick up a SLUTBOX for yourself. You will not be disappointed. What else do I have to say? Oh, Amber Rose, by chance, if you ever see this, really consider bringing your SLUTWALK to New York. So many of us would love to walk with you. Anyway, see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
More money, I want your money. I want more money, I want your money. Once upon a time, not long ago, I was a hoe. And I'm admitting it, I won't take it back. Cause I did this shit, I was a hoe. And I'm admitting it, I won't take it back. Cause I did this shit.